Satariel, Tristwood, Obscene Eulogy, Artisian, Abaddon Incarnate,
Amenta.
More the Amenta 191 of 224 the best industrial bands, 228 of 267 the greatest black metal bands, 61 of 274 the best industrial metal bands. The Funeral Pyre, the 28. Grimfist, Crimson Thorn,
Zonaria.
or Zonaria 205 of 267 the greatest black metal bands, 67 of 255 the best symphonic metal bands, 33 of 190 the best melodic death metal bands. Opera Roman 9, Cardinal Sin, Dispatched, Sacramentum, Pantocrator, the Dethroned, Arghoslent,
Stargazer.
more Stargazer 156 of 165 the best technical death metal bands, 107 of 195 the best avant-garde metal bands. Astarte, Suffer in Silence, Abominator, Crionics, Crimson Moonlight, Desecration, Panzerchrist, Chthonic, Chthonic, Benighted, Dawn of Azazel, Demonic Resurrection, Portal, Arkhon Infaustus, Infernal War,
Hypocrisy,
Hypocrisy, Gehenna, Witchery, Abysmal Dawn, Akercocke, Vesania, Cyclone, Melachesh, Impaled Nazarene, Anaal Nathrakh,
Destroyer 666,
Destroyer 666, Angel Corpse, Nagfar, Vital Remains, Necrophobic, Septic Flesh, Arda, Gotor,
Dissection,
Dissection, Belfager,
Behemoth,
More Behemoth, one of 12 bands whose whole thing is hell. 25 of 118 the best shock rock bands / artists.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.